Welcome back, guys. Today you'll learn how to make money with the n8n. In today's video I will show you how to make $100 and $500 per month with the lead capture automation with n8n. The purpose of this video is to automate your lead capture workflow with n8n. Collect leads from web form, normalize data, update HubSpot CRM, and send professional confirmation emails automatically. So the potential earning is the $1,500 per month. Okay, let's start the workflow. First, you have the webhook node. The method will be post. The path will be webhook test lead capture. And the purpose of this webhook node is to receive the new leads from web form or external systems. So the expected fields from the web will be the first name, the email, the phone, and the source. The source means where the lead came from, the website. The email means the lead email address, first name, the lead first name, and phone, what is optional, the lead phone number. Okay, the response code you will put 200. Okay, and the response to be immediately. Let's see the next node. The send node, that we want the value to standardize incoming lead data so it can be used in the hotspot and the Gmail. So you have the first name, first field is name with the first name, and the value is JSON body, first name, and JSON name that will take from the web. Next field is email with the value here. We will select always expression. This is the expression, body email, JSON the email. The phone number, the name, the source of the site, body source, the website you see here. Okay, and after that you have the receive at data when is received, and this is the expression, the string. Okay, after this we put the set node to normalize the data. We ensure all the downstream nodes have consistent and reliable data. Next, the third node is the HubSpot node. We'll choose here the operation to create or update. We'll have the email, the first name, and the phone number. Okay, the purpose of the HubSpot is to add the lead to the HubSpot CRM or update it if it already exists. And the last step is the Gmail, that the resource I selected draft, operation create, and to subject is this. Thanks for contacting us, and put the expression this JSON first name. Okay, and you will have the message here that is professionally confirmation. This is the message with that you'll send professional confirmation email automatically. Hi, first JSON first name. Thanks for reaching out. You receive a message. Source and receive at. Source is the website, and the receive at is the date when the receive at. Best regards and your company. Okay. Okay, guys, if you want to send, this is only for draft, but if you want to send, you will choose here message and the operation send. Okay, that was all for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will put the whole JSON in my commentary from YouTube. Bye bye. Welcome, guys, to a new tutorial. Today we will learn how to make $10,000 amount with n8n to automate Stripe payments to Gmail and database. So in this tutorial, you learn how to automate strip payment using n8n. Every time a customer make a purchase, their payment details will be automatically stored in a database and an email confirmation will be sent through the Gmail. This workflow can easily save hours of manual work and has the potential to generate $10,000 amount if offered as a service to business or integrated into your own online store. So what you learn in this workflow: to capture new payment from Stripe, store payment detail in a database for reporting and analytics, send professional email confirmation through the Gmail, and automate your sales process for consistent income. Okay, let's start the workflow. So you have first the Stripe node, the Stripe trigger node. Let's open it. You need to get the credential. Okay. After that, on the Stripe node, the resource you will choose event. The operation will be payment completed, triggered whenever a payment is successfully processed, provides customer email, amount, currency, and transaction ID. After that, we have a function, not function, that will give us the Stripe event data. So you see the transaction ID, the currency, the amount, and the email. After that, you need the database node. This will be the database node. With this database node, we'll store the payment details into your database for bookkeeping. So we'll have the column email, amount, currency, and the transaction ID. And after that, we will have the Gmail node to send a professional confirmation email to the customer. So you have the subject payment confirmation, thank you, and on the message you will write like this: payment confirmation, thank you, on the subject, and here we'll choose this message to type: we receive your payment of amount and currency. You need currency dot and the transaction ID. Transaction ID. That is ID. Okay, let's finish. Perfect. Now we have all, and I will write you on my comment from YouTube. I will put you all the JSON file to have the template also for yourself. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Welcome back, guys. Let's see how to make $12,000 amount with n8n. Today you'll learn how to complete funnel automation. So, in this tutorial, we will learn how to build a complete sales funnel automation using n8n, from capturing leads to nurturing them with emails and updating your CRM. This workflow manages the entire customer journey without manual effort. Agency and business pay big money for end-to-end funnel automation because it directly increases revenue. Selling this setup or implementing it for clients has the potential to earn you $12,000 a month. So what you learn in this workflow: to capture leads via a webhook, store leads inside the HubSpot CRM, automatically send a personalized welcome email through Gmail, add new leads to a MailChimp list for newsletter nurturing, and notify your sales team instantly via Slack. So you have a complete automated sales pipeline in one workflow. Okay, let's start the workflow, guys. So you have first the webhook trigger. This trigger captured incoming lead data from a form or ad campaign. So the path will be named funnel lead. The production or relay will be this funnel lead. Okay. A response will be immediately, and the response code will you can put here 200, 300, how many leads you will take, no matter. Okay, after that you have a HubSpot node that will create or update contact. On the reasons you will put contact. Operation will choose create or update. Okay, and what do this HubSpot node? This node stores the lead information, the email, name, phone directly into the HubSpot CRM. So you see you have here the email, but if you want to put also the name and the phone, you click here, add file. No, no, not here. Let's put again additional. By okay, yes, yes, here, and you will choose the name. Let's see the name. Here you will choose first name for the second field and the phone number. Let's see, phone number, mobile phone number. This field will be the third field. Okay, so you have now the store lead information, email, name, and the phone. Okay, let's continue. After that, we'll have the Gmail node. Let's open it. Resource, you can choose draft, operation create, and you have an example of the subject that it's the subject of the email will be welcome to our service, and the message you can put this: hi, name, thank you for your interest, our team will contact you soon. Perfect, so this is the message from the Gmail. And finally, we have the MailChimp node that does not add the lead into a MailChimp audience for ongoing newsletter nurturing. You'll choose on this add subscriber. So on the MailChimp list, we have a resource member, operation create. This is on the email, we will select the JSON body.email. And here we have the subscribe or pending, depend what you want. Okay, let's continue with the final node, that is the Slack node. This node will alert your sales team in Slack about the new lead, ensuring fast follow-up. Operation post channel also sell lead, and on the text will be this new funnel lead, name and email. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. See you on next video. Bye bye. Welcome back, guys. Let's continue with our next video. That will be the Slack lead notification. Okay, we will learn in this video how to send real-time Slack notification for new leads captured through your CRM or lead forms. With this automation, your sales team will never miss a hot lead again. Businesses are willing to pay for instant notification because they dramatically increase conversion rate. If you sell this automation as a service or integrate it into your own agency, it has the potential to bring in $3,500 a month. So what you learn in this workflow? To capture new lead from a webhook, form submission, ads, or landing pages, format the data, the name, the email, the phone, the service requested, send a Slack message to your sales team with the lead details, increase conversion by responding instantly to new prospects. Easy to set up, highly profitable, and import ready JSON included. Okay, let's start the workflow. So you have the webhook trigger. The method will be get. The test URL will be this, webhook test new lead. The production URL will be webhook new lead. Okay, path will be new lead, as you can see. Response 200 and immediately. So that is the first node, the webhook trigger node, that will listen for incoming HTTP request when someone submit a lead form. Next is a function named format lead data. What make this function? This function node extract and structure the incoming data, the output. The output will be the name, the email, the phone, and the service requested. And the final, we have the send Slack message node that posts a structured lead alert into the Slack sale channel. Let's see an example. The channel is sales lead, operation post, and let's see the text that is posted. So, new leads alert, name, JSON name, email, JSON email, phone, JSON phone, and service JSON service requested. So we can have with this lately node, you have all the tutorial ready for implemented. I will post also on my YouTube channel the JSON file, so you have the template and modify with your credential. Okay, guys, I hope you like it. Bye bye. Welcome back, guys, to a new tutorial. This new tutorial will be named Full Sales and Marketing Automation: How to Make $15,000 amount with n8n. So in this tutorial, we'll build a full sales and marketing automation system using n8n. The workflows will cover the entire funnel: capture lead automatically, add them into a CRM pipeline, send them personalized email sequences, trigger follow-up via Slack notification, log performance in Google Sheet for the analytics. This type of automation can easily be packaged as a high-ticket service for an agency or SaaS founders generating $15,000 amount or more. So let's start the workflow. First, you have the webhook node. Let's open it. The method will be get, the path capture lead. This is the endpoint for forms or ads. For example, the landing page sign up. This collects name, email, company, and source. After that, we'll store the lead into the CRM, that is the HubSpot node, with the operation create or update. If the lead already exists, we'll update the details. After that, we have the set node that will add the metadata, the lead source, the campaign ID, the qualification score. Okay. After that, you have the Google Sheet node that you log all lead data into a Google Sheet for reportings. You see leads from A to F. Okay, after that you have a email node or send email node that will send a personalized email, welcome email immediately after the sign up. So you have from email salesyourdomain.com to email JSON email. I will put as expression subject welcome to our program, and on the text you have this: hi JSON name, thank you for your signing up, here's your free resource to get started, the team. Okay, let's continue. After that we have a wait node that adds spacing between emails for nurturing sequences. This is a sequence. In the wait unit you choose hours. Okay, so it's wait 2 days. Then we have another email node, another send email node. Okay, that will send a second email offering case studies, free resources. Again, from email, your sales, email, JSON email, subject, here's how others succeed. On the text, hi, JSON name, here are some case studies of clients who grew with us. Are you ready to join them and the team? After that, we will send all of this to the Slack notified sales team, to notify team in sales channel. When a lead replies or show interest. So you see the channel sales, the text, new lead engage, JSON name and email. This is the people who show interest and replies. And finally, we'll have the Google Sheet node where we'll update the sheet with the lead status. So the lead status, you see the funnel, the range that is funnel from A to D, for example. But in the sheet we lead the lead status is new engage, qualified or customer. That was all for today, guys. See you in next video. Bye bye. Welcome back to a new video, guys, to the e-commerce order automation. Today you learn how to make $8,000 amount with n8n with automate e-commerce order and customer emails. So in this tutorial you learn how to automatically process new e-commerce orders, store them in a database, send personalized order confirmation emails and notify your fulfillment team instantly. This workflow is perfect for online stores looking to save time, reduce errors and increase customer satisfaction. Implementing this automation for clients or your own store can generate $8,000 a month. So, what you learn in this workflow? To capture new orders via webhook from your e-commerce platform, store orders details in a database for inventory and reporting, send personalized order confirmation emails to customers, notify your fulfillment team via Slack, reduce manual work and scale your e-commerce business. So let's start the workflow. First, you have the webhook trigger node. Path will choose new order. This webhook capture incoming order from your e-commerce platform, for example, Shopify, WooCommerce, and so on. Okay, you see the production relay, webhook new order. After that, you have a format order date that is a function node that structures the order details for the database and notification. So you want to get the order ID, the customer name, the customer email, the product, and the total amount. After that, we'll store the order detail into a MySQL or Postgres database. We'll store the order details in the database that it's useful for inventory management and reporting. Operation will choose insert, table orders, and column order ID, customer name, customer email, product sheet, total amount. Okay, after that, we have a Gmail node that will send a personalized order confirmation to the customer. On the subject, your order, JSON order ID confirmation, and the message. Let's type a message here. Hi. Customer name. Thank you for your order of products totaling total amount. Okay, your order will be shipped soon. Okay, so this is the message that you send. Okay, and finally the Slack node notification that sends an instant notification with order details to the fulfillment channel. Let's open it. So on the resources message, channel fulfillment, and on the text, new order received, order ID, customer, products, and total. Okay, I will put also the, let's save. I put also the JSON file on my YouTube video on the comments, so you can have the template also. Thank you for your attention, guys, and see you in next video. Bye bye. Okay, guys, welcome back. This video will be named Automate Subscription Payment and CRM. $9,500 a month with n8n. So in this tutorial, you will learn how to automatically track subscription payment, update the customer records into your CRM, and notify your finance or sales team when payments are successful or fail. This workflow is perfect for SaaS companies, membership sites, or subscription-based businesses. Using this automation can save hours of manual work while generating $9,500 a month by improving retention and managing payment efficiently. What you learn in this workflow: to capture recurring payment via Stripe or PayPal, to automatically update CRM records with payment status, to send payment confirmation or failure email to customers, notify your finance or sales team via Slack, ensure smooth recurring revenue and reduce churn. So let's start the workflow. First, you have the webhook trigger that will capture the events from Stripe or PayPal whenever a recurring payment occurs. This is the production URL, webhook subscription payment. On the path is the subscription payment, response immediately, and response code 200. After that, you need to format the payment data with a function node. So what you will get from the function node? The structured data for CRM and the notification from the customer ID, the customer email, the amount, the status, if it's success or failure, and the subscription ID that you need to get. After that, you need to update the subscription status in the CRM within the HubSpot node. So you'll use the operation update, and you need the fields last payment date, payment status, and the subscription ID. This is the field you want to update. So again, the fields to be updated is last payment date, payment status, and subscription ID. Okay. After that, we'll send the personalized email depending on payment status. So your operation create subject, it's subscriber status, and depending of that, if it's with success, we will type here on the message, thanks for your payment. And if it's failure, we will type payment failed, please update your payment method. So on success, we'll type thank you for your payment, and is for failure, you'll type payment failed, please update your payment method. Okay. After this, you need lastly the Slack node notification will notify the team that will send instant notification to finance the sales team with the payment info. So you see the channel is finance, operation post, and let's see the text. Subscription and payment update. The customer ID, the email, customer email, the amount, and the status. So that was all for this video, guys. Hope you enjoy, and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Welcome back, guys, to a new tutorial. Today you'll learn how to automate inventory and the stock alerts. So you learn how to automatically monitor your e-commerce inventory and get alerts when stock is low. This workflow helps businesses prevent stockouts, manage reorder processes efficiently, and improve sales. By automating inventory tracking and alerting, you can save time, reduce error, and potentially generate $7,500 amount by offering this as a service or using it for your own store. So what you learn in this workflow? To monitor product inventory in database or e-commerce platform, to send low stock alerts via email to inventory manager, to notify your team via Slack for urgent action, to automatically flag items for reorder, and reduce lost sales and improve the fulfillment. So let's start the workflow. First, we have a cron node. This will run automatically at a set interval. For example, daily hour, you can choose here every day, every hour, depends how you want. Okay, after that you have a database node to get the product stack that will have here queries. This will queries your product table to check current inventory levels. After that, you have a function node that will filter the product where quantity is less than reorder threshold. So you have this function return items where items point quantity is less than reorder threshold. Okay, let's continue. After that, we will send a Gmail with we'll send an email to inventory manager listing all the low stocks items. Resource draft, operation create, subject low stock alert. And on the message, we can put this. The following items are low in stock and product list. So this is the message that will be sent on the Gmail. Okay. And finally, you have the Slack notification that will send instant alert in the Slack channel. So you have operation post and the channel inventory. Okay, here we'll have the text low stock alert items that will have the product list items will map this JSON map item product name plus quantity plus item quantity and join and the action please reorder ASAP. So this is the workflow, guys. I will post also the JSON file for all you to have the template of this video. So see you in the next video, guys. I hope you enjoy it. Like and subscribe also. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye. Welcome back, guys, to a new tutorial. Today you'll learn how to automate invoices and the client billing. So you'll learn how to automatically generate invoices for your clients, send them via email, and log payments into your database. This workflow is ideal for freelancer agencies, SaaS companies, or any business that invoices clients regularly. By automating billing, you can save hours of manual work and potentially generated $11,000 amount by offering this as a service or optimizing your internal processes. So what you learn in this workflow? To generate professional invoices automatically using the templates, email invoices to clients as PDF attachment, track invoice status and payments in a database, notify your finance team via Slack when invoices are sent or overdue, and reduce billing or errors and speed up revenue collection. Let's start the workflow, guys. Okay, you have the webhook node that will receive invoices data from your CRM e-commerce system or form. Let's open it. Path new invoice. Okay. On the production or relay, you have this webhook new invoice. Response immediately, and the response code 200. Okay, so for example, you will receive the invoice number, the client name, the client email, the service, the amount, and the due date with this webhook node. Let's set the invoice data. So we will prepare the invoice data for use in PDF generation and emails. Okay, we will ensure all the files. We will have here add value string. We can type here first the name, that is the invoice number, invoice number. Another field will be client name. Another field will be client email that will extract from the webhook node. The service, that is the website development. The amount, and also the due date. That is the file you will extract from the webhook node. So ensure all the files are properly structured. Okay, after this, we'll log the invoice to a Google Sheet. On spreadsheet, you'll choose operation append, use patient ID, and arrange invoices from A to G. Okay, also add a new row to track invoices in your invoices sheet. The columns will be invoice number, client name, client email, service amount, due date, and status. After that, you have the node PDF generate API generate invoices. On the resource, we'll choose document, operation generate, and template ID your template. The ID of your invoices template. Okay, on the data, we'll inject value from the set node, the invoice details. The format is PDF and the output's base 64. Okay, after that, you'll go to the next node, to the Google, to the email node. Email with that will send the invoices. Okay, here you have from email billing your company. Okay, from email and to email JSON client point email, JSON client email. On CC email don't put anything. On subject I want to show you subject invoice JSON invoice number from your company. The body will include service, amount, and due date. We'll attach also the generate invoice PDF using document URL. You have the text here. Let's see more clear. So hello JSON client name, please find attach your invoice, JSON invoice number for JSON service, amount due, and the due date. Thank you. This is the template you will choose when you use this email send invoice. After this, we will have another node Google Sheets that will update the invoice row from the pending send. So the operation will be update, and this will update the invoices row from the pending send. And finally, the final node is the Slack that will notify the finance team, operation post, channel finance, and with this text will notify invoice, JSON invoice number sent to JSON client name, JSON amount, and the due date that is here. Okay, I hope you enjoy, guys. I will also put the all the JSON file on my YouTube video comment. Thank you for watching and see you next video. And also comment on the video if you have any worries or whatever you want. And what you want, if you want another video like this, like and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you on next video. Bye bye. Welcome back guys. Let's start a new video. Today you'll learn how to automatically collect customer feedback and reviews after a purchase or service interaction. So this workflow is perfect for business looking to increase customer satisfaction, improve product ratings, and boost sales. Automating review collection can generate $6,000 a month by improving conversion rates and online reputation. What you learn in this workflow is simple. To capture post-purchase events via webhook, send personalized review request emails, collect feedback in a Google Sheet or CRM, notify your team when reviews are received, and automate reminders for customers who haven't responded. So let's start the workflow, guys. First, you have two workflows. First workflow is the webhook that will post-purchase event will capture the customer purchase or service completion events. So HTTP method get, path post purchase, response immediately, response code 200. You want to capture the order ID, the client name, the client email, the product, and the purchase date. So for that, we will extract from this webhook with a set node. This will be named prepare feedback data. That will structure the customer info for emails and the login. So here you will have these fields. You need a field the order ID, after that the client name, also the client email that will extract, okay, the product, and finally the purchase date. Okay, after we will have all this file completed that was extracted with the set node, we will go to the email to send a personalized email asking the customer to leave a review. So let's open the email. From email, your company, to email the client email. The subject is this. Please share your feedback for JSON product. For example, Alex, please share your feedback for premium services. And the body will include a link to the feedback form or a survey. And all of this, we have also this text. Thank you for your recent purchase of JSON product or product on JSON purchase date. We love to hear your feedback. Please fill out short review form. Thank you. Okay, after this, we want to map out all this review on the Google Sheet. The operation will be append spreadsheet ID, your ID of the Google Sheet, and range feedback. Okay, here with this node we want to record each email sent to customer. The columns will be the order ID, the client name, the email, the product, and the purchase date, and the status. After that, we will have the second workflow that will collect the feedback from the Google Sheets node. So we will receive the completed feedback submission from forms or CRMs. The path will be feedback submission and will be update status in the Google Sheets from pending to completed. After that, we will have the node Slack notify them that will send the notification. For example, feedback received from, let's say, from Alex about the premium services. Okay, and after that, the email reminder for non-responders automatically send reminder email after X days if feedback not submitted. So on the subject you have this, share your feedback for JSON product. You notice you on the text hello JSON client name, you notice you haven't submitted your feedback for JSON product purchased on JSON purchase date. Please take a moment to fill out our review form. That was all for today, guys. I hope you enjoy it, and I will also put the JSON file on the YouTube comments. See you in next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye. Okay guys, welcome back. And let's start a new tutorial. Today we'll learn how to automate social media posting and engagement tracking with n8n. So in this tutorial you'll learn how to automatically publish posts to social platform Twitter plus LinkedIn. Log each post to Google Sheets, poll engagement metrics via API, alert the team of high performance, and send a weekly engagement summary by email. This workflow is ideal for agencies, marketing teams, or content creators who want to save time, keep a central log of posts and metrics, and act fast on top performing content. So what you learn in this workflow? To receive scheduled posts via webhook, to post to Twitter and LinkedIn automatically, log every posted item to Google Sheet for tracking, fetch engagement metrics via HTTP API, for example, likes, shares, comments, and notify your team in Slack when post exceeded thresholds. And finally send a weekly mail report with engagement highlights. So what you'll need, the n8n instance, the Twitter credential, the LinkedIn credential, Google Sheet credential, Slack API token, the bot token for posting, and SMTP credential for the email node. Okay, let's start the workflow. First, you have the webhook node that his purpose is to receive post requests from content calendar, CMS, or manual forms. Let's open it. Path will put new post, response immediately, and response code will put 200. Production URL is this. Webhook new post. Okay, let's continue. After that, you'll need the set node to normalize the incoming payload and create consistent field used downstream. Let's open it. So here on value to set, you'll choose string and you will need the platform name. Platform is first field. Next, it's the content. After that, you need the post date. After post date is the client name. The post ID also you need. Post ID. Okay, and this is all. Okay, so with this data on the set node, we will need after this the Twitter schedule post that will publish the text to Twitter. So, okay, let's open it. Operation is post, as you can see. On the parameter, you will put operation that is post, like you see here, and the text will be JSON content. Okay, so the tip is to post image including binary data handling or use Twitter's media endpoints. After that, you need also the LinkedIn node. So here also the operation is create, post as a person. Okay. After that, the purpose of the LinkedIn is to publish post on the LinkedIn. So you will need to have the credential here on the LinkedIn and use the node. But remember and take care of this LinkedIn API requirement differ organization versus person post. That will be configured in the credential by each of you. Okay, let's continue. After that, we have the Google Sheet node. The purpose is to choose operation append to append the row with platform, content, post date, status, and later engagement metric. So you'll have to configure operation equal to append sheet ID that it's equal with your sheet ID range. You see range here is social media A to E. And the column you can use is this, the platform, the content, the post date, the status, and the post ID. After that, you have HTTP node request. The purpose of this node is to call your engagement metrics API or the platform API to retrieve the likes, the comment, the share for the posted items. So you have this URL, for example, HTTP API social platform metrics. Platform is equal to JSON platform post ID JSON dot post ID. Method is get, you see here, and the response will be return JSON format. And the JSON format will be with the file, the likes, the share, and the comment. And finally, we have also the Slack to notify team. The purpose is to post alert into the channel marketing or another team channel when metric are fetched or threshold exceeded. For example, you have this text, post on JSON platform, got likes and shares. You can add also conditional logic to only notify when likes or share exceeded thresholds. And the final node is the email node for the weekly reports. His purpose is to send a digest email with a summary of the week's top post and metrics. Let's open it. So from email marketing your company to email team yourcompany.com. The subject is weekly social media engagement report and text summary of social media engagement metrics for this week. So that was all for today, guys. See you in the next video. I will post also the JSON file on the YouTube comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye. Welcome back, guys, to a new tutorial. Today you'll learn how to automate customer support ticket routing. So in this tutorial you will learn how to automatically capture, route and manage customer support tickets using n8n. This workflow helps business handle support email and chat inquiries without hiring large teams, saving time and reducing cost. Agency can also sell this as a service to clients. What you learn in this workflow: capture new support tickets from email or chat platforms, automatically assign tickets to the correct support agent, log tickets into Google Sheets for tracking, send urgent tickets to Slack, automatically send ticket received confirmation email. So let's start the workflow. First, you have the webhook. This will capture the ticket. Path will be new ticket. Production URL this webhook new ticket. The purpose is to receive new tickets from forms, email or chat platforms. For example, the ticket ID, the customer email, the subject, the message, and the priority is if it's high or not. Next node is the set node that will normalize the ticket data. We'll prepare the fields for routing and logging. So the fields will be ticket ID. This is first. After that, customer email, subject, message. Okay, and the last field will be the priority. Okay, after all of this will be set, we will have a if node for high priority. This node will check if a ticket is high priority to trigger Slack alerts. So you see here the value is JSON priority, operation equal with high. So it's if the ticket is high, will trigger the Slack node. After that, The Slack node will go to the node function to assign agent. That will assign a ticket to a support agent. Then go to Google Sheet and to the node email that ticket received. If go to false is not high priority, we'll go directly to the function assign agent, Google Sheet and email ticket. Let's talk about the function assign agent. On this function, let's open it. The purpose of this function is to assign a ticket to a support agent randomly all around robin. Output field will be assign agent email. This is the output. Next, Google Sheets node. On this node on the Google Sheet, this purpose is to log all the ticket data for tracking. Operation is append. On the columns, you will have the ticket ID, the customer email, the subject, the message, the priority, and the assign agent. The Slack node is here to send a Slack alert for high priority tickets only. So the Slack, the channel will be support. The Slack node is used only for new high priority ticket. JSON subject from JSON customer email assigned to JSON assigned agent email. And finally, the email ticket received, the node email. This purpose of this node is to send an automatic confirmation email to the customer. For example, subject, ticket received, JSON subject, text, hi, your support ticket has been received. Our team will contact you shortly. That was all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I will put also the JSON file on my YouTube comments. See you on my next video. Bye bye. Welcome back, guys, to a new tutorial. Today this tutorial will be about automated invoicing and payment reminders. So in this tutorial I will show you how to build a fully automated invoicing and payment reminder system with n8n. Agencies and freelancers spend countless hours sending invoices and chasing late payments. With this workflow, everything runs on autopilot. You can package and sell this service to clients. So what you learn in this workflow: to automatically generate invoices in Google Docs or PDF format, save invoice data to Google Sheets for tracking, send invoices to customer via Gmail or Outlook, schedule payment reminders until the invoice is paid, and notify your finance team via Slack. So let's start the workflow. First, you have the webhook node. This purpose of the webhook node is to receive invoice request data. So here we will take the customer info, the invoice amount, the due date, and the invoice ID. Okay, after that, all this data need to be normalized to within a set node. This purpose of the set node is to prepare all required fields for invoice generation and reminder. So I told you the fields are invoice ID. Next is customer email. After that it's amount and the due date. That is the field that will be mapped out on the set node. Okay, after that we'll have the node, the PDF. This purpose of the PDF Google Doc generator is to create the invoice automatically in PDF or Google Docs. Okay, after that we have the email send invoice. Purpose of this email node is to send invoice to the customer via Gmail or Outlook. So you have from email our company to email JSON.customer email, subject invoice, text dear customer, please find attached your invoice. After that you will need a function that will calculate delay until the due date and schedule reminders. So this is the function due date new date JSON dot due date, and we return the reminder date, that is the due date. Okay, after that we have the if node. If the payment is received, check if the payment has been completed. So if it's completed, we have the true branch. You see there the value JSON payment status equal to paid. So if it's completed, we'll go to Google Sheets branch, to Google Sheet node, and after that we'll notify the finance team. On the channel is the finance, and here we have the text payment received for invoice JSON point invoice ID from JSON customer email. And if it's not received, you'll go to the false branch, wait, retrieve, retry email. So here on this node, the purpose of this node is to automatically send follow-up reminder until the payment is confirmed. I will also give you all the JSON file on my YouTube comment. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial also. Like and subscribe. Don't forget to do that because it helped me a lot. And thank you for watching this tutorial, and see you next video. Bye bye. Welcome guys to a new tutorial. Today you'll learn how to automate webinar registration and follow-up. So in this tutorial we'll build a full webinar automation system using n8n. These workflows will allow you to capture webinar sign-up automatically, send confirmation email and reminders, trigger follow-up sequences after the webinar, log registrants and attendance in the Google Sheets, and notify your team via Slack for high-value leads. Agencies or course creators can offer done-for-you webinar automation services with this workflow and potentially generate revenue. So what you learn in this tutorial: how to use webhooks to capture registration, how to automate confirmation and reminder emails, trigger follow-up after the webinar, log attendee data in the Google Sheets, and notify your team for high-value registrants. Let's start the workflow. First, you have the webhook node. His purpose is to receive new webinar sign-up form from your landing page or form. For example, you will receive here the registration ID, the name, the email, the ticket type, for example, is if it's VIP. The method is get, path new registration, the production relay, webhook new registration, response immediately, and response code 200 minimum. Okay, next node is the set node to normalize the registration data, the registrant data. The purpose of this is to prepare field for email, logging, and follow-up. So the fields here is this: registrant ID, it's first, the name, the email, and the ticket type. This will be the field that you will extract from the webhook node. Okay, after that you have the if node. So the purpose of the if node is to check ticket type or any other criteria to flag high values leads. So if on value, if JSON ticket type is equal to VIP, you'll go to true branch that will notify the Slack team. Operation is post, channel sales, and the text new VIP registration, JSON name, and JSON email. After that, we will go to email send confirmation to send a confirmation in email to registrant. So from email webinar our company to email JSON email, subject webinar registration confirm. Hey, JSON name, your webinar registration is confirmed. Okay, after that We will send also wait reminder email. The purpose of this is to wait until the day before or a few hours before the webinar to send the reminder email. You see, wait amount 1 hour before the webinar. Okay. And the false branch of the if not a high value registrant, you'll go to email send confirmation that you saw what he does. And after this, you want to track all the registrant to log all the registrant information for the tracking purpose. So you'll have the node Google Sheets that will log the registrants. So here on the column, you will map the registrant ID, the name, the email, the ticket type, and the status. So that was all for today, guys. See you in the next video, and I will attach the JSON file. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye. Okay, guys, let's continue with a new tutorial for today. So next tutorial it's about automatic customer feedback and the review collection. In this tutorial you'll learn how to automatically collect customer feedback and online reviews using n8n. Businesses often struggle to gather reviews, losing trust and potential sales. This workflow allows you to capture customer purchases or service completion, send personalized feedback requests, log responses in the Google Sheets, also send follow-up email if no response, encourage posting review on Google, Yelp or Trustpilot. Agencies can offer this as a service to multiple clients and help clients boost their online reputation. So what you learn in this workflow? To capture events from your e-commerce or service platform, automate personalized feedback emails, track responses in Google Sheets, send automated follow-ups for non-responders, and notify your team of high-value reviews. Okay, guys, let's start the workflow now. So, first we have the webhook node to capture the customer event. His purpose is to receive purchase completion or service delivery events. So, the webhook will capture the order ID, the customer name, and the customer email. So, the path is new feedback event, and the production or relay is this. After that, you need a set node to prepare the feedback data. In this set node, on the value, we want to get the order ID. So the order ID. We want also the customer name, the customer email, and the follow-up count. Okay, let's continue the workflow. After that, you have an email, an odd email that will send the feedback request. So you have from feedback our company to email json.customer email, and on the text or subject we value your feedback, and on text we will say like this: hi Jason, customer name, please share your feedback for your recent purchase. After that you'll have a wait node. His purpose is to wait a set number of days before sending follow-up if no feedback received. Here you will put days, let's say 3 days. So after 3 days we'll sending follow-up if no feedback received. After that we will have a if node. If feedback is received, we'll check if the customer submitted the feedback. So on the true branch, we'll have the Google Sheet nodes. So if the feedback is received, we'll go to here to the Google Sheets. Okay. And the Google Sheets, his purpose is to record feedback detail for the tracking. So on the columns, we will map the order ID, the name, the email, the feedback, and the date. And after that, you'll go to the node Slack that will alert your team about received feedback, especially the high values reviews. So the channel will be customer feedback and the text will be this. New feedback received from JSON customer name. Okay. And if the feedback will not have any feedback, we'll go to fast branch to the email to the send follow up. Okay, let's open it. His purpose is to send a second feedback request to customer who haven't responded. So, hey JSON customer name, we'd love to get your feedback for a recent purchase. To also from email, your company, and to email JSON customer email. So this is a simple workflow that will help you in your business. Thank you for your attention and see you on the next video. Like and subscribe. Don't forget about that. It helps me. Bye bye.